نشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له الحمد لله رب العالمين الحمد لله الوالي الكريم وصلى الله على أنبياء أجمعين والمسيح والمهدي والمجدد لمن مرسلين أما بعد. Are we not the bearers of witness that nothing would exist if Allah didn't create it? And that He is alone and has no partners? And that all gratitude is for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the sustainer of all the boundless universes. All gratitude is for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the generous eternal friend. And send salutations of Allah on all of His prophets and His apostles, and on the Messiah, the anointed one, and on the Mahdi, the guide, and on the Mujaddid, the reformer, which was all sent from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We send greetings and we send peace throughout the boundless universe to all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.
Beginning all things in the illustrious name of Allah, the Yielder, the Most Merciful. The gratitude and praise is due to Allah. It is He who created the galactic heavens and the planet Earth and made the darkness and the light. Hence, those who cover the truth about their sustainer are deviators. He is the one who created all of you from clay. Then He assigned you a period of time to live on earth, and its termination is known only by Him. Yet you still harbor suspicions. And His, Allah, is in the galactic heavens and planet Earth. He is the knower of all your secrets and apparent things. And He is the knower of your every deed. And there is no situation in which you can find yourself, nor can recite any verse from the Quran, and there is no work that you can do without our Allah and the angels' knowledge. For we are always witnessing when you engage in any affair, and there is nothing concealed from your sustainer, not even the weight of an atom in this planet Earth, nor in the heavenly skies, and not any smaller than that, or bigger, except it is recorded in a clear scripture, the Book of Light, Kitab al-Nur.